Guys, it's not at all easy. If you come over, come at your own risk. We are already tired. In fact, we are thinking to go back. We are stuck in the middle, up or down, we don't know. But nobody shows you in their vlog. I want to show you the raw picture. It's a lot of climb and trekking. Please wear shoes. We are wearing chappals. We still haven't reached the infinity pool area. Just taking a break. So how are you?
Fantastic.
How was your sleep?
Slept very well.
Very well, yeah. Look at the view, guys. So beautiful. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. We are starting our day, fourth day, a bit late today. It's around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. But the main point is we slept very well, which we needed. So now we are going to a very interesting place and beautiful also, as I have researched about it and have seen it in another vlogs. So it is called MUANG. Yes, MUANG Waterfall. And then we are going to the waterfall farm, followed by Chowing Beach for the sunset feel. Stay tuned, because I'm assuming you would also enjoy this episode along with us. So that's about it. Stay tuned and keep living large. Chalo, let's go. मुझे हमारा IBIS resort बहुत पसंद आया. I really love it.
You try.
I'm one child.
You understand, my friend? Make you feel like.
Say hi.
Hi.
We booked the travel from her.
Yeah.
Very nice deal we got. BBT travel, guys. Remember next time. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. And we also rented the bike from her, so we got good deal as well. Just opposite our hotel, IBIS. Let us enjoy this ride to the MUANG Waterfalls. Everyone, we are so enjoying our city ride. है ना शनि? And way to the MUANG Waterfall is approximately 30 minutes from our IBIS resort. But we don't complain, do we? We are enjoying this lovely stretch, lovely highway with full of coconut trees, natural plantations, beautiful, and the mountain view, lovely. And we have arrived. Wow, guys, we have arrived. Have a look. Oh my god, the खुशबू. It's fresh. इसकी खुशबू आ रही है. The waters, the smell of the earth, the greenery. Oh my god, unbelievable. We have arrived. Let's park. The trek is not that easy to go up to the MUANG waterfall. We have taken scooty, but the point is it's taking a while. Guys, I'll see you up there once we reach, okay? Guys, we have arrived. As you can see, there is admission fee for adult, 50 baht per adult, okay? Here we are, everyone. anyhow guys, anyhow. Let's go. See you later. Yes, this is the waterfall area. We have arrived. Let's go there.
Oh my god, I think it's happening again. Sort of myself, I would be letting it end. But every time I look at those brown eyes and your smile, oh your smile, run into you on a break in the hallway.
It's not at all easy. If you come at your own risk. We are already tired. In fact, we are thinking to go back. We are stuck in the middle, up or down, we don't know. But nobody shows you in their vlog. I want to show you the raw picture. It's a lot of climb and trekking. Please wear shoes. We are wearing chappals. We still haven't reached the infinity pool area. Just taking a break. So anyway, if we go up, we'll show you the thing. Everyone, unfortunately, we didn't find the infinity pool. As you can see, we are totally very tired. We just stopped by this waterfall area, and I mean, kudos to them who could manage to reach that infinity pool. But we could not find, and we met a couple of people who told us as well that they could not find the infinity pool as well. So I don't know where it is. There are no proper markings also. So I think we'll just go down and drive to Chaweng beach to relax. We need a proper fresh coconut water and relax by the beach, swim there and just do nothing at all. So we'll proceed. And baby is also very disappointed. So let's go guys. We'll see you at the beach. Bye. It's a thorough disappointment, but it's fine. I mean, to watch the greenery and all of that, that's all. Yeah, just such. There is one slippery area though. Remember, baby? I slipped. We have to be careful there.
Yeah.
Oh God. I think they should put a cable car or something.
They should.
Yeah, they have charged us also.
We're not prepared for trekking.
Yeah, some people they met us, they said they could not reach and they just climbed down like we are doing it now. So, baby Shona, wait. So that's it. We are just getting down. Baby is there. Without wasting further time, I'm going to go down and then we'll shoot finally. Let's go to the Chaweng beach together. Guys, we freshen up. We had something to drink here. Now we are headed to the Chaweng beach. Let's get going. 12 people accident, guys, and from that point
a lot of people injured. They broken leg, broken arm.
Oh my God. All right, bye. So yeah, like I said again, if you really go up high, go at your own risk and be prepared. You heard him saying that 12 people died, some people broke their arms and all. So I think we are satisfied enough from wherever we went. Now we need to really relax. No other plans for today, just at the beach by the sunset and relax. Chaweng beach. Look at this.